LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, northeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Braddock to near Malden to near Sheridan, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Numerous reports of 60 miles per hour gusts have been reported with this line of storms. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oakwood Hills, Fox River Grove, Valley View, Algonquin, Lily Lake, Woodstock, Caneville, Aurora, West Dundee, Ridgefield, South Elgin, Kemen, Pistakee Highlands, Hunley, Greenwood, Gilberts, Montgomery, Lakewood, Sheridan, Wayne, DuPage Airport, Baringo, St. Charles, Crystal Lake, and Sugar Grove, including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 102 and 120. Interstate 90 between protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.